guys, welcome to Finstock. This is a channel talk about businesses. We give you tips and insights on how to run, start and manage your business. We also talk about online courses. And today I want us to talk about interior design and sketching. And it's one of our courses that many people in Finstock EVarsity College are looking for. It's a highly sought course. And it is we have a certificate and a diploma in interior design and sketching. And you find that immediately you finish doing this course, you get a certificate. You are certified upon completion. And the entry requirement for this course, for the certificate course, that is a D- only.
Okay.
So that means if you have a D-,
you can enroll for the course, and the D- is at least the least you can have. Don't just say if you have maybe I say the better.
The better. And then the mode of delivery is online. So that means when you're talking about online, what do we mean?
That means that the course is offered fully online and it's offered through Google Meet or Zoom meeting.
And so when you're talking about the interior design and sketching, we have said it's an 8-month online program at Finstock EVarsity. And find that this course will offer skills which are very crucial components of interior design and sketching. And it will enable a student to be organized, to be very creative and customer focused. And you're able to even build your skill in interior design. You're able to even design the most prestigious houses that you can ever design. And when talking about sketching, this is where you're even able to sketch about the layout of a house.
How it's gonna be.
Yes, and someone is asking what is the minimum grade required to do a certificate in interior design. You need to have a D- in your KCSE, and we have said that D- is the minimum.
It's the minimum.
And tell us about the mode of delivery. Remind them, what have we said about the mode of delivery?
The mode of delivery, the courses are offered online fully, and you get a personalized teacher through Google Meet or Zoom Meet.
And another question I get is, what are the career opportunities that if you want someone wants to do this course, what are some of the areas they can work in?
After completion of these courses, and of course you get your certificate, you can find yourself in fields like interior design, where you can become an interior designer, a fine artist, you can become an illustrator, you can become a fine graphics, and a fashion designer, of course, and then you can also become a video editor.
Nice. And what are some of the program goals?
Some of the program goals in this course is that we empower students to apply appropriate design and sketching knowledge. So after sketching, maybe you're sketching a house or on how it's going to look, you can sketch and then design it on whatever you have sketched. So you attain that knowledge, and then we equip learners to demonstrate knowledge of design and sketching theory and application of learned skill in diverse environments. So this is where after you have completed the course, you can apply your knowledge on interior design in specific fields that include interior design, and then you can explain the theory and also do the practical part of that. And the next one is that we train students to demonstrate competency in design and sketching industry. So it's not just doing the course and then completing. You're gaining competence in the same.
So if someone I think we should tell them, if someone wants to do this course, where can they enroll?
If you are interested in this course, you can enroll for the course at Finstock EVarsity College. It's an online college, as we said, that offer these courses and a lot of other related courses and a lot of other more courses. You can go check their website out and decide which course
you
can
want
suit
to
you.
do. Totally.
So visit them at Finstock EVarsity College. Their website is www.finstockevarsity.com, or you can email them at info@finstockevarsity.com or call them at 0703-313-722.
That is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure at the end of this video you like, comment, subscribe, share, hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video you can always be notified.
Until next time,
goodbye.